Hey friends, ETPC here doing another product review. This is the Dust Daddy from Life Helper. Universal Vacuum Dusty Brush Dust Cleaner Accessory Tubes. Tiny Cleaning Sweeper Vac Attachment Remover Tool. Compatible with Dyson. Alright, well, let's see what's in the box here. So this is how it came. I picked this up off of Amazon, about 12 bucks. I saw it on TV and let's see, so that's in the box. Okay, this came with two attachments, or two of the duster things, so that's kind of neat. What's this? So that must be one of the attachments, so you can fit it on your vacuum cleaner. Okay, this is a secondary attachment. So this is the deal. It's got a bunch of little straws basically, and hopefully that'll allow it to, oh, and another attachment. So it's got three attachments, and I think these are identical. Yes, so it has, this box came with two of these and three different attachments. 1, 2, and 3. So that's what's in your box. I just pretty much picked this up so I could vacuum out my computer and other dusty areas. So I'm going to definitely give this a shot here. So that's what's in the box. We're going to go ahead and hook this up to my Shark vacuum and do a demonstration, and we'll finish this up with a review. So thanks for watching.